detox simply means to remove toxins from the body, and there are many reasons why you need a detox. Number one is to remove toxins, another is to reset your metabolism, another is to enhance weight loss. I hear people say, oh, you know what, I just can't lose weight anymore. No matter what I do, I can't lose weight. My body's gotten to a set point, and that's because there are toxins that are blocking the progress of your weight loss or your diet plan. So you need a detox to remove those toxins, and you see your body just giving off weight easily once more. Another is to enhance your immune system to prevent chronic disease and to improve your mental clarity. Here we have four simple ingredients to use for a detox smoothie. One be banana berries, and we have kale and spinach. I'm going to make one smoothie which has berries, spinach, kale, and bananas. And I'm going to make another smoothie which has just bananas, kale, and spinach. The green vegetables we have in our recipe, which is kale and spinach, are the key ingredients in this detox smoothie. We cannot omit that. If you need to omit anything, it could be the berries. Say you don't have berries accessible to you, definitely. Now, the most important items you need for your detox smoothie would be the greens, which would be mostly spinach and kale. So you can use this to cleanse the blood, unclog the blood vessels, and just for easy growth. It also helps to cleanse the skin. So at the end of 3 days, you see that your skin gets brighter. So now I'm just mixing the berries, the kale, and the banana, and I'm gonna make the first smoothie. And I'm gonna go ahead to also make the banana smoothie, which will just be kale, spinach, and bananas. And the sugar in banana is tremendous. Like, it just does a lot. You won't even taste anything. I know some people get scared of that. Oh my god, it's gonna taste awful, but it's gonna taste great. The sugar in banana is just awesome, and then the berries help as well. But for the other smoothie without the berries, you also feel great about it. And yeah, it's just beautiful, and it goes ahead, blends, and comes out pasty, delicious, and filling. You love it. I recommend that you do this for at least 3 days to get it proper cleansing. Well, try it out and let me know, and have a blessed week.